Do you love the holiday season, but need a quick, budget-friendly dessert that'll wow your guests? I've got the perfect recipe for you. Easy peppermint brownies made from a simple box mix. This treat is not only ridiculously easy, but also incredibly delicious. Trust me, you'll be the star of any gathering with these festive brownies. So, grab your apron and let's get baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Remember, a preheated oven is a happy oven. In a large glass mixing bowl, add 2 eggs. I like to mix the wet ingredients together first. Mix in 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Then add 1/4 cup of water. Next, pour in 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. Whisk the mixture together using a hand whisk until well combined. You can also use a fork or a hand mixer. Next, add 1 box of dark chocolate fudge brownie mix or any other brownie box mix to the wet ingredients. Mix everything with the hand whisk until the batter is smooth and there are no lumps. The aroma of chocolate and peppermint is already making me excited. Hope you're excited to try these delicious peppermint brownies. If you're enjoying the recipe so far, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more sweet treats and baking tips. Thanks for joining me. Now let's get back to the fun and finish these scrumptious brownies. Prepare your baking pan by lightly spraying the bottom with cooking oil. Line the baking pan with a parchment paper sheet. Trust me, parchment sheets are a lifesaver. No more wrestling with curly parchment paper rolls. I personally like to use parchment paper sheets instead of the roll because they fit perfectly and make cleanup a breeze. Transfer the brownie mixture into the prepared baking pan. the batter with a silicone spatula, making sure it's evenly spread out. Bake the brownies according to the instructions on the box, which is typically 25 to 30 minutes. Once the brownies are done, carefully remove them from the oven. Immediately sprinkle 1/2 cup of Andes Peppermint Crunch baking chips on top and lightly press them down with a silicone spatula. Be careful not to press too many times to avoid melting the chocolate chips into a peppermint spread. Patience is key here. Resist the urge to overdo it. Allow the brownies to cool in the pan for at least 30 minutes before cutting. This waiting time is crucial for perfect slices and for the brownies to set properly. Pro tip: to speed up the cooling process, place the pan on a wire rack. Once cooled, remove the brownies from the baking pan by lifting the parchment paper. Peel the parchment paper from the edges. If the edges are a bit stuck, gently loosen them with a knife. Cut the brownies into squares and get ready to enjoy this delightful treat. They're perfect for sharing with family and friends or just indulging by yourself. Tip: for cleaner cuts, wipe the knife with a damp cloth between slices. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Thanks for baking with me, and happy holidays, everyone.